Alright guys, welcome back. I promised I'm going to share with you guys my simple trick which I used to recover my Facebook ad account whenever I got banned or whenever I got restricted. It's not a new discovery, but I think a lot of people have been using it for a long time. It's something that is helping us to recover ad accounts. So far I've been able to recover up to 300 ad accounts. So I'm still testing it and it's working for me, and a lot of people are doing it as well. So it's not a new thing to people that know it, it's a new thing to people that does not know it. So today I'm going to reveal to you one of the methods that I use to recover my ad account, and I'm going to share with you some of the swipe files. What I mean by swipe file are the emails and the copies, the appeal messages that I normally write to Facebook, and they'll attend to me immediately and recover my ad account back. So now I'm going to reveal to you guys the three methods which I use. The one is request a review of our restricted account, which we normally do. Everyone normally do that one. And the one is writing an appeal message. That is another one everybody knows about. And there's this one that people don't know, which is what I'm going to explain. What I'm going to show you guys in this 5-minute video. I'm going to share with you how to be able to get your account back in the next 10 minutes. So the last one is how to chat with Facebook live support immediately. So anytime you misuse some of those triggers or algorithms, it will bounce back on your account and your account will be disabled. So I think basically what we need to understand here is once your account is disabled, if you want to get it back, you have to apologize. That's the first one. The second one is that you have to be able to tell them which policy was violated, if you can be able to do that. Another one is try to tell them that you have created a new creative and new landing pages, and ask them if there any way they can help you out. So on this little video I'm sharing with you guys today, I'm going to share one of the simplest means to get your ad account back in just 10 minutes. Types of bans we normally see as advertisers. Sometimes we got our account restricted, we got our account disabled, we got our business manager disabled or restricted. We got another one by profile restricted. So another one is an IP block, which is the highest of ban you can receive from Facebook. So when this one occurs, the IP block, there's no how you can use Facebook again to advertise your business online. So this little trick is basically one of the best method and step-by-step guide I'm going to share with you guys on how to recover your ad account back. I'm going to share with you one of the basic means in these 4 or 5 categories of bans we have here. The simplest means to get our account up and running again. So I'm going to show you on the next screen the live video, everything there, how to be able to do it, how on your own, any help from anybody. Below this landing page, you will see some of the links that I listed out here that can help you to recover your account. You can see I posted a link also as well, where you will click on that link. It's going to direct you to Facebook support team where you can talk to them directly. There's another link in this video, in this page, that links to the API message that I have used in the past and is working. So you can download it in your drive. You can download it as a TXT file or save it in your drive for later use, something like that. So I'm going to go to the next screen now to show you guys how everything is done on Facebook Live. Okay, let's go there. Welcome. This is my second screen. This is my second account. Basically, this account was treated from advertising on Facebook, and my business manager was banned from advertising. So I was like, man, what's the heck? There's nothing I can do again to start advertising again on Facebook. So I have to figure out a way to start up something else. So I figured out a way to help myself, and I used it on my account. So the thing is working fine. So I'm going to share with you the page here. This is my Facebook account that I used to advertise on Facebook, and this is my main account here. So the next thing, right on this landing page you are in now, scroll down, you see a page, a link that I posted there. You click on that link, it will take you to Business Manager Help Support. So there you can be able to chat with Facebook live. You can be able to resolve any issue you have with your account manager. So I'm going to move to my Business Manager to show you how to be able to navigate to that link in case you don't see it. So here is the Facebook Business Manager Help Support. If you have any query, you can start typing here. So I don't have anything to type, so I can scroll down. If you want to learn more about all the tips here, find business support and everything. This one, what to do if your ad is rejected, and troubleshoot a disabled ad account due to payment failure. So everything here, I would advise you to go over them and learn it, so you can learn everything about these practices and here and be able to move ahead in your next actions. And advise you, please, if you are running Facebook advert, I'd like you to read about the advertising policy. Very, very important. Please read it. It's very, very important for any advertiser. If you want to be successful on Facebook, make sure you read this advertising policy. It's going to help you to run a successful ad campaign on Facebook. So that's for another day. What we are focusing more is this: find answers or contact support. So when I click on this get started now, it's going to reload and get me to my support dashboard. Okay, now this is my dashboard and my Facebook business dashboard here where I can see the things that I need to do. Here is the support center where I will from here talk to Facebook directly about my disabled ad account. So on my right hand side where I have these common support topics, click on these things and learn about them, but I'm not interested in here. I'm not even going to this place. So I've added a link where you can verify your business directly, where you can verify your business there. So where I'm focusing more is this get started again. So once I click on this get started here, it's going to load and get to this place, and here this is where our journey begins. So here they'll ask me to select my asset. Remember I said we are going to talk to Facebook directly. So here this link here is in that same landing page you followed and reached to the place. So this is the link here. So the first action here, the first step is to select your ad account which was disabled, or business account which was disabled, whether permanently, whether any kind of violation you have with Facebook. So you can select it from here. So now I'll go with this my business page. This is my business manager that has this account, everything. All these pages have recovered the access to it. So I will go with this one. I think this one have issues. I will click on this page. Okay, so anyone you have issues, you can start with your business manager to query it. And again, I have a link on that my page, on the landing page, where you view your account quality to see whether you have any issue. So if you have any issue, from there you can still recover it. So on here I will just select one of my ad accounts. I will select this Urban Query Friday ad account. I think it has advertising little issues. So here they will ask you, what do you need help with? Then your ad account which you have error with, maybe you have a violation or anything. So I have a failed payment, my ad is pending in review, my ad account was hacked, my ad was disapproved, I need help with failed payment, my ad account is disabled, which we are going to focus more here. I have a question about my ad account status. So if you have any actions, if you have any problem, I need help with changing my daily spend limit, I want to change time zone accuracy, and my ad account is disabled. I have another one here. So I have a question about the learning phase of the ad delivery. So we are focusing more on this, my ad account is disabled. So if you still don't find your answers here, you can click on this learn more again. why was I charged so much for the ad I ran? So anything you have issues with in your account, you can from here talk to Facebook directly. So if you are having issue with a permanent disabled ad account or permanent disabled business manager, can come to this other ad account issues here. This is where you're going to query Facebook. So we are focusing more on this. My ad account is disabled. So once I click on it, they will now tell me, bring out this information for me here. They say, so come down here. If you have time, you can read everything here. For me, I don't need. Just go to contact support. I will have to fill my information here. Confirm your email address. So my phone number is supposed to be my number, which is okay, change the country code to. Now in this box now, please, they say please provide information that will help us investigate. Now if you have any screenshot of the ad account that was disabled, you can click on this add file. For now I don't have any screenshot. I can just go to start chat instantly. I'll start chatting with them. Okay, you can see the response I'm getting from her. They say, hi Brenda, thank you for contacting Facebook Connect support. My name is Naomi. The reference number of your query is so we can see that you are contacting us with regard to your ad account that has been disabled. Can we please confirm this? I will now say yes. You are chatting with a live person. It's not a bot. You are not chatting with a bot. It's just this guy is live. You're chatting with her, and she will help you to specify your issues you have with Facebook, okay, in your ad account. So she's going to help me now to recover this my ad account. Or if there's any error, if there's any other thing that she will be able to tell me from their own end, which I'm not seeing here, so she can be able to tell me everything here. All right, so this is basically how do it. Chat with them, follow them up, they'll be responding to you. Before you know, your ad account is restored and you start using your ad account to advertise on Facebook again. So remember, before you got here, look at what you're going to do. Okay, right here now, you click on this support. Okay, here she asked me about my account ID. I have to go to the page again. See the page. You can see our chat here. It's currently going. So I have to copy my account ID, which is this one. This one is your case ID. This one is account ID. So I have to copy it and paste. So then allow her to verify the information and everything. So remember I said if you want to get to that support page where you have to talk to Facebook directly, go to facebook.com/business, then click on the support button you are seeing here. Click on it, the thing will take you down to this page you are seeing here in my screen. Scroll down here. I'm not interested in reading all this thing. I have read all of them before, so I'm not interested to read again. So I'll click on this get started. This is where your eye should be. From here, come to this place, find answers or contact support. If you want to read this information, you read it, but me, I don't want to read it. I've read all of them before. So click on this get started here. Okay, when you click on this get started, it's going to take you to a page. You're going to see all your assets, all your advertising assets, the pages, the ad account, the business manager you have on Facebook. So from here you can see this is the list of one that I have now currently. So the one I'm querying them about is this my ad account was disabled the other day. Okay, now she's on it and she will help me finish it. So that's it. Be rest assured that they will help you rectify your account. There's nothing like they will not help you again. So you have gone this far to talk to them directly. They can help you to rectify that account. Okay, they are working 24 hours online. Okay, they said thank you so much for the ad account ID. Thank you. Okay, they said let's check our resources here for option on how we can possibly resolve the issue. May we put you on hold for 3 to 5 minutes while we check this for you? I'll just say go ahead. And I said 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to wait for her. They'll do their own check and everything here, and now the ad account will, start processing about the restoring the ad account back, so that we're able to advertise on Facebook again. Okay, that's all. That's everything about restoring your Facebook account without wasting time. That's it. I've told you guys how to get to this page, how to get to this particular page now. You can select any of the ad accounts. That's everything about restoring your ad account on Facebook. With that disable permanently IP block, you can recover it back. So thanks for watching. Do make sure you follow all the instruction on the page, the landing page, and go to those links and use that resources that I posted on my Google Drive. You can use it to send an appeal. You can send an appeal, because me, I don't like sending an appeal again to Facebook again. I go straight and talk to them. That's what I do these days now, because the appeal takes a lot of time. They will tell you that account was restricted and I cannot help you again. So the best option is just talk to them directly, one-on-one. Just have to wait for them to carry on their processing and everything. That's it.